The question of whether Lyme disease was created as a bioweapon has fueled many conspiracy theories. Some claim that ticks, the primary carriers of Lyme disease, were weaponized by the U.S. government during the Cold War. But is there any truth to these claims? In this video, we'll explore the key arguments and evidence surrounding the idea that Lyme disease was part of a bioweapons program. Lyme disease is caused by the Borrelia burgdorferi bacterium, transmitted to humans through the bite of infected black-legged ticks. It's the sixth most commonly reported infectious disease in the United States, with symptoms ranging from fever and fatigue to more severe joint pain and neurological problems. But what's often debated is whether this disease is a natural occurrence or the result of a classified bioweapons program. The idea of weaponizing ticks isn't as far-fetched as it might seem. In the mid-20th century, the U.S. military did research on using arthropods like ticks to deliver biological agents. The theory suggests that ticks infected with Lyme disease could have been released, either intentionally or accidentally, as part of these experiments. However, while it's theoretically possible, the logistics of using ticks as a delivery system are highly impractical. Weaponizing ticks comes with significant challenges. Ticks are not ideal for spreading disease in urban environments, as they prefer forests and fields. Additionally, they feed slowly, giving people the chance to remove them before infection occurs. Infecting and dispersing large numbers of ticks effectively would be extremely difficult, making them an unlikely choice for a bioweapon. Most scientists and experts argue against the bioweapon theory. Lyme disease and the ticks that carry it have been present in the U.S. long before any bioweapons research took place. Cases of Lyme disease have been documented in areas far from known bioweapons testing sites, further weakening the argument that it was introduced as part of a military experiment. Despite the lack of solid evidence, conspiracy theories continue to circulate, partly fueled by books and documentaries. These theories often point to the U.S. government's history of unethical research, leading some to question whether Lyme disease was accidentally released. However, these claims are often based on circumstantial evidence rather than hard facts. Whether or not Lyme disease was part of a bioweapons program, the real issue at hand is the growing threat of tick-borne illnesses. Lyme disease affects hundreds of thousands of people each year in the U.S. alone. Instead of focusing on conspiracy theories, experts believe we should invest more in research to better understand, diagnose, and treat these diseases. Experts like Carrie Clark, a professor of epidemiology, argue that even if ticks could be weaponized, Lyme disease would be a poor choice for a bioweapon. It doesn't cause immediate or widespread devastation and has a relatively low mortality rate. The focus, Clark suggests, should be on improving our medical response to tick-borne diseases, not on investigating improbable theories. In response to growing public concern, some lawmakers have called for investigations into the potential origins of Lyme disease. However, the majority of scientific research dismisses the idea of a bioweapons connection. Instead, there is a pressing need for more funding to combat the real and present danger of tick-borne illnesses, including better diagnostics and treatments. While the theory that Lyme disease was created as a bioweapon is intriguing, the evidence doesn't support it. The focus should now shift to addressing the current challenges posed by Lyme disease and other tick-borne illnesses. By investing in research and public health initiatives, we can better protect people from these debilitating diseases. Whether or not Lyme disease has a mysterious origin, one thing is clear: it's a serious and growing health issue that demands our attention. The conspiracy theories may never fully go away, but what truly matters is finding solutions to prevent and treat Lyme disease. Thank you for watching, and stay safe from ticks.